Why is internal pipeline corrosion difficult to detect? Imagine trying to find a tiny leak inside a pipe that's buried underground or running through a wall. That's exactly what makes internal pipeline corrosion so tricky to spot. When corrosion happens inside the pipe, it's hidden from plain sight. You can't see it just by looking at the outside because the pipe's interior is sealed off and often buried deep underground or submerged underwater. This makes visual inspections nearly impossible without special tools. Corrosion inside pipes is influenced by many factors. The chemicals in the fluids flowing through the pipe, like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, can cause the metal to weaken over time. Moisture and the flow conditions inside the pipe also play a role. These elements don't stay the same along the entire length of the pipeline. They can change from one spot to another, creating areas where corrosion is more likely to happen. Sometimes, corrosion occurs in tiny spots called pits or crevices. These small areas can hide damage that's hard to detect early on. Even with advanced technology, finding internal corrosion isn't straightforward. Tools called inline inspection devices, or smart pigs, can travel inside the pipeline and check for problems using sensors. These sensors use ultrasonic waves or magnetic fields to find thinning walls or cracks. But these inspections happen periodically, not all the time. If corrosion develops between inspections, it can go unnoticed until it causes a leak or explosion. Protective coatings inside the pipe can also hide corrosion. These coatings are meant to prevent rust, but they can wear out or peel away over time. When that happens, corrosion can start underneath without anyone knowing. External methods like cathodic protection, which shields the outside of the pipe from rust, don't always detect internal issues. The environment around buried pipelines varies a lot. Soil moisture, oxygen levels, and chemicals in the ground can change how fast corrosion happens, but monitoring all these factors constantly is difficult. All these challenges mean internal corrosion can quietly weaken a pipeline until it suddenly fails. That's why continuous monitoring, regular inspections, and proactive maintenance are so important. Detecting corrosion early can prevent disasters like leaks, explosions, and environmental damage. It's a complex problem, but understanding these difficulties helps us build safer pipelines and avoid costly accidents.